written. Read your third one.
So there were two situations, like one most important interview and his SSB. So he requested.
Tell me the crux of the situation. Tell me the crux of the situation. नहीं याद?
Not exactly, sir.
Crux ही तो tell me the crux. Crux क्या था उसका?
There were two important situations, conditions came across. So he chooses interview over SSB.
The idea is, see, why I'm asking you this thing, because there is a reason. I can simply go forward and pull up the situation also. Now, this is also a very important learning for all of you. See, the idea is, if you have done a particular assessment and you need to understand, this is also one very important thing for all of you. A very fine, important thing I'm sharing with all of you. See, when you do something very, very consciously, any assessment, you do it very consciously. And when you are handling situations and when you are handling situations with a mindset of resolution, I am telling you one thing very clearly, it will never happen कि आपको एक situation का background भी याद नहीं है. What does this shows? Do you understand what it shows? It shows कि जो मैंने आंसर लिखा वो मेरे से unconsciously निकल गया. So while I am handling the SRT, there are two things. I write something consciously and unconsciously. I am not saying कि situation याद होनी चाहिए या याद होती है, नहीं, भूल जाते हैं. But when I read my solution and if I have done it very consciously, the overall assessment, I can connect that what was the situation which led to this. But now when I'm sitting here and I'm not able to even connect with the situation and I have written a response to that. So what it means? It means while actually doing the SRT mock, at that time, when you were writing these so-called resolution or the responses to those situations, these are not written consciously. और जब तक आप consciously एक assessment को नहीं करेंगे, उसमें तो फिर ये ऐसा ही होगा ना कि आपके पास कुछ रिजल्ट होगा नहीं, वो ही यू सब कुछ आएगा जिसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं बनेगा, एंड लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस यू विल गेट आउट टोटली. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आपको दिख रहा है ना कहां गैप है इतना? फ्रॉम लास्ट so many sessions you have been listening to other SRT analysis also, you must have realized what we have actually done and what is required. Whenever you sit for mock, I would always suggest all of you, please sit for the mock wholeheartedly. One thing which I can say, Arushi, after looking at this SRT, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. आपने ये SRT किस माइंडसेट से दिया है? मैं आपको अपना माइंडसेट बता देता हूं, आप मुझे ये बता देना कि मैं गलत हूं या सही हूं. ये आपने माइंडसेट इसलिए इस माइंडसेट से दिया है, समवॉट यू आर डेवलपिंग अ प्रेशर ऑन योर माइंड. आपको बड़े दिनों से ये लग रहा है कि मैं मॉक असेसमेंट दे नहीं रही हूं और मैंने कुछ अभी तक करा नहीं है. तो इस बार आपने कहा यार चलो दे ही दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पहले भी इतनी मिस हो गई, अब देनी पड़ेगी, अब दे ही देती. कहीं ना कहीं बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये माइंडसेट था. आई डोंट नो, यू कैन कंफर्म दिस. Is this the mindset or not?
So this thing was also there, but I'm just restructuring my whole schedule and
that is okay.
Trying my best.
See, that is okay. You don't have to try your best. Just start loving the things what you're doing. The problem is when you try to do things, na, it never works. देखो मैं आपका ये mindset क्यों पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, उसके पीछे रीजन है. Because आपको चीजों के इन और आउट पता है. ऐसा नहीं है you don't know SRT, but the way it has been written, it shows somewhat that when I was doing a mock, I was not within the mock. And it is also an important analysis for all the other aspirants also. It happens a lot of time. You do something, but you are not completely into it. And when you are not completely into it, you are not able to give your best. And when it comes for an assessment like SRT, where there is a lot of time pressure, automatically the end result would going to be very, very devastating if you have not been into that assessment wholeheartedly. ये पूरी शिद्दत से दिया हुआ SRT नहीं लग रहा कहीं से भी. Don't do it like this. Don't do it with a mindset कि भी ये इसको करना है. Just start loving the things rather than just trying to make them happen or trying your level best and being very hard with them कि किसी तरीके करना है उसको. हार्ड करने से नहीं होगा, जबरदस्ती करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. 2 दिन 4 दिन 3 दिन कितने दिन करोगे जबरदस्ती से? Got it? Fine. So I would suggest next mock assessment जब जाए Arushi, and even the daily challenges that you are doing, I'll even watch to that as well what you have posted in the groups. So please do it wholeheartedly, and the best way to make it something wholehearted is, देखो किसी भी चीज को wholeheartedly करने का, कोई काम को दिल से शिद्दत से प्रेम से करने का एक सिंपल सा रूल है और एक सिंपल सा तरीका है. The simple way is, before doing a task, don't start doing it. Don't start jump onto the action. Before jumping onto the action, take a simple self clarity with yourself. That is why I want to do it. You need to know that why, right? And if that why really matters for you, automatically your love will be there. If your why does not matter to you, how much hard you try, it will never going to happen for you, with you. It will never going to happen. Right?
Yes.
So, the idea is very simple. आप उसको इतना उससे मत कीजिए. जो भी next mock है and your daily SSB recommendation challenge, just do it wholeheartedly. Then automatically things will come to fine tune thing. It will become fine tune. Right? Okay, so this was the SRT analysis of the aspirant Arushi, and there is the overall understanding for a lot of such aspirants who a lot of times give an assessment without being into the assessment wholeheartedly. So whenever you do something, just be into the assessment. That's the most important thing. As I have been saying earlier also, everything starts from the mind. What you sow, so shall you reap. अगर ये mentally तैयार नहीं होगा, आप कोई जंग नहीं जीत सकते, चाहे वो SRT की ही जंग क्यों ना हो. So whenever you sit for it or you sit for any work, make it an attitude in your life. जिंदगी में आप अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में कुछ भी काम करते हैं, make this as an attitude. Do it completely being into it. घर में झाड़ू जब लगाओ तो झाड़ू भी completely शिद्दत से लगाओ. खाना खाओ तो भी शिद्दत से खाओ. हंसो तो भी शिद्दत से हंसो. Make it your attitude. Start living it. And that's what will make you a non-uniform officer and will embrace those OLQs within yourself. Right?